Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to change the tail light bulbs on our 03 Toyota Tundra. So if you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. 2 bolts, 10mm socket, get a custom little tray there. Okay. Now we're going to grab this and pull this way firmly. There we go. And there you have your backup, brake and running light, and turn signal. Start with the turn signal. You're going to turn it counterclockwise, and the socket symbol comes out. This is a 3156 bulb. Replace it, snap it back in, make sure it goes all the way in. Line up you've got a large notch. Line a large notch cut out, and then turn it clockwise. Same procedure all the way down. This is the running light and brake light. Pull the socket out, make sure there's no damage in there, no burnt electrodes, it's not melted. This is a 3157 because there's 2 filaments in there. Replace it with your new bulb. You can line up those ears and then clockwise. This one's a little smaller. Should be like a 912. The 912 bulb. 912. Line up the electrodes, snap it back in. Turn it clockwise. Now before you reassemble this, what I like to do is I'm going to spray a little rust penetrating spray in there. And it just keeps the plastic a little soft, so it doesn't harden up and split. So now we're going to line up those ears, make sure the harness is in the way. You got a bottom one and a top one. The clips are lined up over here. Push it in. I'm going to reassemble my bolts. I'm going to spray a little rust inhibitor in there. That way the future isn't so rusty. $10mm socket. Goes in so much easier once you've sprayed them down. There we go. Don't forget to run your lights, check them, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.